Ginger and garlic is something a key ingredient in everyday's cooking. So there are many different brands of ginger garlic paste that is available in the market. We all feel buying the ginger garlic paste in the store is very convenient and it is easy for us to use on the everyday cooking. The store-bought ginger garlic paste has longer shelf life as they add chemical preservatives in order to retain the freshness. If you read the ingredients that is listed in the ginger garlic paste, you'll be surprised to see how much chemical preservative has been added in order to preserve the freshness. I'm not talking about any particular brand, or I'm not talking about one or two brands that is available. It is all the brands that is available in the market. All these brands talk about how to retain the freshness in the fridge for 2 months or 3 months or over a long period, but none of the brands talk about how to retain the fresh taste. Let's see how to make the perfect ginger garlic paste at home, and of course we are gonna add some preservatives, but those are all natural preservatives which we often use in our everyday cooking. You just need 4 ingredients in order to make this perfect ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to take some equal amount of ginger and equal amount of garlic today. Also we need couple of tablespoons of cooking oil and less than 2 spoons of salt. Now take a dry mixie jar or a blender jar and add the dry ginger pieces first. We are going to make this ginger garlic paste without adding a single drop of water, so make sure that everything is all dry. It is not easy to grind the ginger pieces in the mixie jar without adding any water, so you might need to open the mixie jar a couple of times and keep stirring the ginger pieces and run them few times until you find that ginger pieces are finely blended. Next we are going to add the garlic pieces, and same thing, so do not add any water and keep blending until you find a smooth consistency. So once after blending the ginger and garlic pieces alone, the next step is we need to add the preservatives. First let's add the cooking oil. So I took like 2 tablespoons of cooking oil for 1 cup of ginger and 1 cup of garlic. After adding the oil, run the mixie for 3 to 5 seconds and you will find the perfect consistency. Look at the color after adding the oil. It is now like a creamy and whitish color, which is way better than any store brand paste. We are almost done. The next step is we need to add the salt. I'm adding less than 2 spoons of salt for 1 cup of ginger and 1 cup of garlic. Once after adding the salt, you have to mix it really well. You don't have to blend it again. The reason why we are adding salt and oil is they help in preserving the paste and it does not turn dark and you won't get any fungus in the paste. Now take a clean glass jar and you can transfer the grinded ginger and garlic paste into the glass jar. Stir this paste immediately in the fridge and use a dry spoon when you want to use it for cooking. For the amount of ginger and garlic that I used in those stainless steel container, it comes around like 5 to 6 weeks for my everyday cooking. See how easy it is to make at home with all the fresh ingredients. Anything homemade is always good. Try this once and you will see the difference. And thank you for watching this video, and let's see you in a different video.